Are you a kettlebell beginner and you're looking for a great place to start? I got something for you. Check the first link in the description. It leads to our free kettlebell workout course that'll serve you 30 days filled with kettlebell workouts. Click the link, sign up, and enjoy. Grüezi miteinander, Gregory von Lebe here. If you have been looking for a serious upper body push-up challenge, then you found the right place. You need 2 hexagon dumbbells, and we're going to do push-ups. Matter of fact, this type of challenge that I'm going to show you works well for a workout finisher. So here's how you place both dumbbells on the floor in a diagonal manner. You have the widest distance between the lower part of the weights, and you have the narrowest distance on the upper part of the weights. So here's how we're going to do this. It's fairly simple. The only thing that you need is a timer and a little bit of computing or RAM power of your brain, and of course, some real strength and power in your chest as well as your triceps. So you set the timer for 1 minute straight. The timer starts counting. You place both of your hands on the lower part of the weights, and now we do 10 push-ups. Since you have to place your hands off the lower part of the weights, which are at its widest distance, you'll most definitely work more your chest. Now, after you've done those 10 push-ups, we switch up to the close distance push-ups. You place both of your hands on the upper part of the weights where they are narrow, close to each other, and now we do close grip push-ups. These types of push-ups focus more on your triceps. So after you've completed those 20 reps, you have a couple of seconds remaining on the clock. This is your break. After the clock strikes 0, your next minute begins. This means you do again 10 wide grip and then 10 close grip push-ups. This system is called every minute on the minute. Now, depending on how much energy you still have in the tank left after your workout, you can do 5 minutes of this or up to 10 minutes. Now, I believe this works incredibly well with kettlebells. Now, even though we do train the chest with the kettlebell, I think what is missing is some proper pushing in a way like the push-up allows us to do so. So therefore, we can train the chest and the triceps and focus on an area that might be a little bit neglected to a certain extent when you do kettlebell training only. Mind you, I still believe that the kettlebell is the greatest full body instrument that you can use. However, if you come from the typical traditional bodybuilding type of background like I have, you still want to throw in some reps and exercises and maybe dedicate a little bit of time to your chest. Remember, back in the days, every Monday was chest day. Or even back earlier in the days, every day was chest day. Another important aspect of this type of finisher is the following. Dr. Brad Schoenfeld says that if we want to maximize hypertrophy or muscle building, now in our case in the chest and upper arm area, we have to do at least 10 plus sets per week. This elicits the maximum response of hypertrophy. Now, if you do your regular kettlebell training and you add in this finisher, you can still touch an important aspect of muscular development in your chest. And if you do 5 minutes as a finisher with this particular workout, you do 10 supersets at the end. So if you train twice per week and you add in this great push-up finisher, you have more than enough sets per week to elicit a maximum response for hypertrophy. That's why I believe the push-up is one of the greatest exercises per se that works well with almost any program. Another benefit of the dumbbell push-up is that it is not hard on your wrist joint. A lot of people have trouble doing push-ups because it might be uncomfortable for their wrist. If you place your hands on those hexagon dumbbell weights, then this problem is taken care of. So here's the next step that I want you to do. First, like this video, consider subscribing, share this finisher with your friends, and then go watch this video right here where I show you the most important exercises that you have to know pertaining to kettlebell training. It's over 50 exercises. Go watch it right now.